Introduction: the 2025 Ford Mustang GT CS returns as a stylish and performance-oriented variant of the iconic American muscle car. Building on the legacy of the California Special Package, this model combines heritage-inspired design elements with modern features, making it a compelling choice for Mustang enthusiasts who crave both performance and unique styling. Exterior design: the GT CS stands out with exclusive exterior touches that pay homage to its 1968 roots. It features a unique mesh grille with a red GT CS badge, side stripes, and a distinctive rear wing. The optional painted or black roof and exclusive wheel designs add further distinction. Available in several bold colors, including signature shades like Grabber Blue and Rapid Red, the 2025 GT CS balances retro flair with a modern, aggressive aesthetic. Interior design: inside, the Mustang GT CS sports a blend of vintage cues and cutting-edge technology. Special suede-trimmed seats with red contrast stitching, GT CS branding on the dash and floor mats, and custom aluminum trim highlight the cabin's bespoke feel. The dual-screen layout featuring a 12.4-inch digital cluster and a 13.2-inch infotainment touchscreen powered by SYNC delivers a high-tech yet driver-focused experience. Performance: under the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT CS packs a 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine delivering around 480 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include an optional active valve performance exhaust, Magnaride adaptive suspension, and available performance pack features such as Brembo brakes and a limited slip differential, ensuring an exhilarating and responsive drive. Safety: Ford integrates advanced driver assistance systems to enhance safety and confidence. The GT CS includes Ford Copilot 360 featuring pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, lane-keeping system, blind spot information system bliss, and available adaptive cruise control. These systems make the Mustang safer without compromising its driver-centric character. Price: the 2025 Ford Mustang GT CS is expected to start around $48,000 to $52,000 depending on configuration and options. Pricing reflects its positioning as a premium variant of the GT trim, offering both performance and visual exclusivity. Conclusion: the 2025 Mustang GT CS blends nostalgia and innovation in a package that's as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. With its enhanced styling, potent V8 engine, and modern tech, the GT CS continues to honor the California Special legacy while embracing the future of American performance.